Hello, I'm Rob Fortney Jr. of the Amazon Gorillas Tribe of Sellers. Amazon.com does almost $500 billion in sales each year and has 100 million customers worldwide with a one-click button to buy your product. The real deal billion-dollar opportunity. It's a proven fact that people who work in groups are 10 times more likely to achieve their goals of success. And that's why I created the Gorillas Tribe. The Tribe is a group of Amazon sellers that have been sharing knowledge, support, and resources with each other for more than 2 years. How much confidence would you have if you could join our small group of motivated, successful sellers and coaches that have launched hundreds of successful products for only $48? The one big difference between the Gorillas and all other Amazon training: you're not left alone to figure it out. You can ask questions and get answers in our virtual live classroom during our weekly educational workshops, where industry leaders and successful business owners share their inside secrets and teach the members every week. Of course, we've created a step-by-step informational video course with guides and tools inside the membership area so that you can learn at your own pace and bring your questions to the weekly virtual live classroom. We're going to help you with the number one problem most sellers have: how to find a product. We'll even show you how to use product finding software like Jungle Scout and AmaSuite to find product champions. For only $48 a month, there's no contract and you can cancel at any time. We know for a fact that you're 10 times more likely to succeed in a group, and that's what the Gorillas Tribe can do for you. Click the link below and join us in the Gorillas Tribe. There's no need to spend thousands of dollars on a course and still be left alone to figure it out. Join the Gorillas Tribe. You don't have to do this alone.